What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we are learning how to package a Premiere Pro project and sending it to somebody else, like a client or somebody just needs your files. How do we do that very easily inside of Premiere Pro and keep it organized? And it's if you've ever sent somebody a Premiere Pro project and they open it to a wall of media offline, it's a problem. And if you're new to this, a project file sending it to somebody does not contain your footage or anything like that. It just points to where it's stored and how to package the whole thing so it opens cleanly on a new machine. So here's an example project I have open inside of Premiere Pro. There's not that many files. It's going to be pretty easy to package up and very quick. So let's go to File, Project Manager. And from here, we're going to choose our sequence. You may have tons of different sequences, but you want to choose the sequences that you want to send to your person. We can exclude unused clips, all that kind of stuff. We can collect files and copy to a new location. You could transcode the files to make them smaller, but this is a little more advanced. Today, we just want to do this. And then we'll calculate the size. It's a 378.91 megabyte total size of the project. I don't have that much footage in here. We're going to browse to where this is going to save. I selected a place and we hit OK. Premiere Pro wants to save this project and then it copies everything over. Now, if you have a ton of files, that little dialogue is going to take a long time. Mine was very quick because it was very small. Now, this is where it put everything. As you can see, it put the Premiere Pro project, the preview files, and all the media from the project. Now, if you have a project with 1,000 different assets, it's all going to be here in this folder. Everything's going to be plopped here. Now, this is very easy to, just take this, right click, compress to zip file, or move it to a hard drive, send it to somebody. We transfer everything at once. Very easy to do. But if you do have thousands of files, this can get very complex. Now, we've done it 1,000 times. We've seen this before. But if you have tons of files, when the user opens up the Premiere Pro project, it'll be fine inside of Premiere Pro. It'll still look like this. He'll just have to reconnect all the media potentially, or she or he, doesn't matter who. But it could be a little bit confusing from the file side when it comes to the folder, because everything is just plopped inside of here with zero organization. Now, if you are interested in a solution that can help you organize this and make it reflect your project, I have a solution for you. So we run Filmit Studio from filmit.io, and this is it. It's inside of Premiere Pro. It's an extension that has tons of different plugins. We have free plugins, Sourcer, Giffer, Shortcut. People love Shortcut. It's really cool. But then we have a tool called Organizer. Organizer is just like so. To try it out, install Filmit Studio, create an account, start a free trial, and it opens up as window, extensions, and then Filmit Studio right here. You'll see the other little plugins and stuff that comes with. And Organizer is a really cool tool that just organizes stuff for you. So right here, this is all like this. If we had this over here, if we had footage somewhere else, like right here, all unorganized, let's do sort by type. As you can see, it sorts it into these nice folders for us. Our assets, images, other sequences, and created a nice folder structure. Then we can flatten the empty bins, get rid of those, and we have this really nice moved project. Now, we want to export this project. There's more to it, obviously, but for the purposes of this tutorial, this is what we're focusing on. We're going to export the entire project, not just the selected sequences. Let's browse where it's going to go, put it in collection, add an organizer folder. Let's stick it here, click OK, and then we're going to collect and organize. It's going to do the same thing. It copied everything over. And just like Project Manager, we have a folder called Organizer we just created. And here it is. It moved everything for us. So it actually also made subfolders of all of our media. So everything that we had in the project is reflected over perfectly from Premiere Pro. Now you'll notice that assets and sequences folder don't exist here because assets inside of Premiere Pro are files that only exist inside of Premiere Pro. That's nothing you would see outside of the program. But the reason Organizer exists is if you had thousands of different of media, you could easily have it organized into the folders it actually belongs in. So delivering this to a client would make a lot more sense and be a lot more structured. So that is Organizer in a nutshell. So feel free to try it out. There's a link down in the description. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.